Namaskaram and Swagatam to my channel, dear friends. Today I'm going to teach you some words related to weather and seasons in Malayalam. So let's get started. Weather or climate means kalavastha. Weather or climate in Malayalam is kalavastha. And let us learn some words related to weather. So first we will learn what sunny means. Sunny, you can say veil ulla, because sunshine is veil. Sunshine is veil, so you can say sunny is veil ulla kalavastha. Okay, and another word related to that is heat. Heat is chood. Heat is chood. So if you're saying like hot day, you can say choodulla divasam. The word ulla denotes something which has, so, or containing, having is the meaning of the word ulla. So choodulla divasam. Okay. Next, rain. Rain is mara. I know the letter ra you have problems with, but rain is mara. And if it is rainy, you can say marayulla. You know, marayulla. Rainy is marayulla. If you want to say like rainy day, you can say Mara Divasam. Rainy day is Mara Divasam or Marayulla Divasam. A day having rain. So Marayulla Divasam or Marayulla Divasam. Okay. Another word related to that is wet. Wet. The word for that is nananya. Nananya or nanavulla. Nananya or nanavulla. Wet. Now snow. Snow is manye. There is no other way I can write it. Nya is not something that I can easily write in English, so that's how I wrote it. Manye. You need to read it manye. Manye is snow. If it is snowy, you can say manyulla. Suppose you want to say covered in snow. Covered in snow is Manyil Moodiya. Covered in snow. A word related to that is cold. Cold is Tanupu. Cold is Tanupu. Okay. Next is wind. Wind is Kaat. Okay. Cloud. Cloud is Megham. Cloud is Megham. If it is cloudy, you can say Marakarulla. Because when there is cloud, it is an indication that there is going to be rain. So Marakarulla. There can be other words which describe cloudy, but I am teaching you words that you are going to probably hear in the usual other daily conversation. Rather than teaching you a dictionary word, it is much better to give you the most used word when in conversation. So that is what I would say. When it is cloudy, I would just say it is marakarulla. Okay. Now I would like to discuss some adjectives used with these climate words. All these words denotes something of a greater extent or greater quantity. So let us see that words. And as you all know, adjectives are the words used with a noun to describe it. First word is nalla. For the example, I have written nalla choodu. Usually nalla or nalladu means good, but here in this case it means of a great extent. So nalla choodu means a lot of heat. Nalla choodu. Bhayangara. Bhayangara. Bhayangara Mara. Bhayangara Mara. I think I have explained this in another video that Bhayangara is like a misnomer that we Malayalis use because it really means something that scares you. Bhayangara means that, but we used to denote anything of a greater quantity. So Bhayangara Mara. Perum. Perum. Perum is also another word. Perum means big. Big. So you can say Perumara or Perummara. Both are correct. Perumara or Perummara. Lot of rain or huge rain. Okay, it denotes that. Then another word is Kodum. 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 Kodum Tanappu. Kodum Tanappu means a lot cold. Kodum Tanappu. Okay. Now coming into seasons in Malayalam. Season is called Ritu. Season is Ritu in Malayalam. Or you can say Kalam. Kalam. Ritu or Kalam. Seasons is Ridukal. Ridukal or Kalangal. Ridukal, Kalangal. So everyone know that there are only 4 seasons. So let us see what are the seasons named in Malayalam. So spring season. Spring season is Vasanta Kalam. Vasantam. Spring is Vasandam. Vasanta Kalam. Spring season is Vasanta Kalam. Summer season. Summer season is Venal Kalam. Summer season is Venal Kalam. Venal. Venal Kalam. Okay. Fall or autumn is Sharat Kalam. Fall or autumn is Sharat Kalam. Winter is Shaityam or Manyu Kalam. Winter is Shaityam or Manyu Kalam. I would say Manyu Kalam is the most commonly used word, even though you will not be able to see like snow anywhere in Kerala. That is not going to happen. Even with the other seasons also, you are not going to see them as very distinguishable. We have these words for these seasons, that's all. But there are 2 predominant seasons, and actually rainy season is not as such a season, but you will never be able to ignore rainy season if you are in Kerala. So for rainy season we will say Mazhakalam. Mazhakalam. Or also we would say Varshakalam. 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 Mazhakalam, Varshakalam. So that is for rainy season. So I would say Venal Kalam and Mazhakalam is something you will be seeing a lot when you are in Kerala. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video and have learned a lot of new words. Please leave your comments below and let me know how you felt about this video and give me suggestions so that I can come up with even more good videos. And thank you so much for watching. You all stay safe and stay healthy. Okay, take care. Bye.